Do you, or does someone that you know, for example your child or a partner, have a diagnosis of asthma? If so, here are some warning signs that you need to look out for, which could indicate a severe asthma attack. If they lose the ability to speak in complete sentences and start talking like this, and it's just very laboured breathing, then that's a warning sign. If they become short of breath, if their breathing rate goes up, if their heart rate goes up, if they become blue, pale, floppy, then please seek some urgent medical advice, but ultimately monitor for signs of breathlessness, laboured breathing, ability to speak in complete sentences, and check their heart rate and respiratory rates. This is not an exhaustive list.